Welcome to my channel. Thank you for checking out this video about Hamster Kombat listing on Binance. So today being the 26th of September, as we already know, Hamster Kombat is launching out fully, and this is a very big achievement in the crypto world. Even though many people said that Hamster Kombat um, failed to give some people their tokens and all that, it is very important for us to know that Hamster Kombat coming to the market is a big success because it paves way for many other projects, crypto projects, to do the same. And we all remember the likes of Pi. We've handled Pi, we've been on Pi for quite a long period of time now, and even up to I speak with you, it's not yet like it's officially in the market. You can't trade Pi anywhere, except those that are just doing peer-to-peer transaction. But we want a crypto that will come into the market where anybody can come and buy and transact. So this is a very big achievement for Hamster Kombat and the Hamster Kombat community. So what we will just try to do is to monitor what the price will be in a few minutes from now. It's going to come out live, and from speculations, people say that it's going to be like $1. We will know if it's going to be $1 or less than that, or even more than that. Now we have just about 11 minutes 44 seconds into the launch of Hamster Kombat. This is a good one, everyone. So this is Hamster Kombat. You can see, look at Cartizen. This is Cartizen here. Cartizen launched some days ago, and the price now is finding a balance. It's already at 0.73. When Cartizen launched, it rose up to like 1.2. You can see that here, 1.2, and now it's still finding its balance. By the end of this month, Cartizen will find its own trading price perfectly. Now, the same thing will happen to Hamster, because once it comes out, people will definitely buy, sell, and as the transaction continues, the forces of demand and supply will make the token to find a stable price, and from there, anyone can come and buy and sell. And if you are if you are not privileged to have the crypto airdrop, or maybe something happened, you were not able to get it, uh, this is also an opportunity for you to get it in the market. Okay, the airdrop is just a gift. Like I do say, if you miss the airdrop, don't miss it in the market. So you can also come into the market here and get your own Hamster Kombat. You can come here and buy it. You can also check other exchanges like the OKX and any other exchange that you've even listed. Then for those of us that connected our EBI.xyz to it, you can compare EBI with Binance. Okay, different platforms have different rules for engaging on all these crypto projects. So what we just need to do is to wait for our own airdrop to drop in our EBI wallet, because it is being listed now on Binance, or because some people on Binance have seen their own airdrop, doesn't mean that those on EBI won't see your other platforms. So you just have to wait for your own platform to do the needful. So once it drops on EBI, we are all going to see it, and we can begin to trade. And if you want to keep, you can keep. So that's all for now, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any question, please feel free to drop in the comment section. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.